This little guy over here that this brand sent to me for the video, it's by far the best alarm clock for heavy sleepers. So if you are a heavy sleeper, check it out, because this thing is, I'm not joking, this thing is gonna wake you up no matter what. I'm gonna show everything to you and how it works in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that this little guy right here could also be a really good one for kids, like a really good gadget for kids, because it's actually pretty fun. The way they try to wake you up, it is pretty fun. When the alarm sets off, this thing is actually going to run all over the place. It's going to try to avoid you. You will have to get out of the bed and catch it to actually turn it off, because it's going to make all kinds of weird sounds. And it works really, really easy. I mean, you have the instruction manuals right here. And the way that works is you're going to set up the alarm right here. Actually, let's take a closer look. So here's the way it works. This is the alarm on and off, and these are the wheels on and off. So you can actually just have the alarm without the wheels. And this is going to be super easy. This is how you set the alarm. This is the hour and minutes to setting up the alarm, or the current time. And this is the actual time. And this is the snooze button. You can actually snooze it and just like try to catch it again if you can. But you're going to see that this one, for the current time, it actually turns on and off. So you can actually set up the time and illuminates a little bit. But let's actually set up the alarm for 8:20. And I mean, you're going to be so amazed by this thing. So I have it set it up for 8:20. I have both the wheels and the alarm set up. And remember, this could be a really fun thing for the kids, because you need to actually get out of the bed to catch it, because this thing would actually can fall out of the nightstand or something like that, and it won't be damaged. It won't break, nothing. It will kind of like go out in the floor and keep running and just trying making those like weird noises all over the place. So this thing could be both a really good one and fun one for heavy sleeper, adult heavy sleepers, or kids that doesn't want to get out of the bed. So you can actually make like a bed with them and just ask them to actually catch it if you're going out to school, or oh my god, you can see that this one, it went out on the floor. So you can see that this one keeps running and running all over the place. So it can go to the floor, and I mean actually, and it's still right here making all these noises and lights right here. So it is actually pretty fun, and I think it could be the best gadget for sure for kids or adults that are heavy sleeper. You can just hit snooze, or you can just like turn it on and off, and that's it. That's everything. This thing, I think it's so fun. It's a must-have for heavy sleepers. I do recommend it, and you're gonna have to wake up for sure.